And how are you? So let's start our video. Today we will discuss about another application, and name of that application is Android application, and its name is Lucky Tok Tools. Best tool to increase your TikTok video views. You can download it from this website or you can download it from Play Store, and I think it's not available on Play Store, so you have to download APK file and then install it through APK installer application, which is available on every Play Store. So you have to download it APK file and install it. Then let's start it. Let me show you my TikTok. I just created it to show you. I don't have a TikTok account, but I create this account to show you how this application works. As you can see, where is my profile? Yeah, here's my profile, and I have one video, I think so. Yeah, there's one video, and you can see zero views. I don't have any views, no comment, no hearts, nothing. I just uploaded it few minutes ago. Okay, zero views, as you can see on the left bottom. So now you have to open it, that application, Lucky Tok Tools. Okay, now go to Tok Tools. There are many other options, but today I'm gonna teach you only this tool, Tok Tool. Enter the captcha, that is particles. Submit, and here you can see a lot of options. Some are working, soon will be updated, but some are working fine. So today I'm gonna show you how to increase video views. Go to this views, enter the username of your TikTok account. Mine is ZHackixh. As you can see, there are a lot of people with that name, resembling name. Yeah, here is my account. Go to this account. Now you can see zero views. Okay, send views, click on it. Now it's buffering. It take a little time, not more than few minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna increase my views. As you can see, you have to wait for 45 seconds for the next submit. Views successfully, views sent. Views have been sent, and if I want to increase my views again, so I have to wait for 45 seconds, sorry. Yeah, 45 seconds. Let's see how many views I get. Go to the profile. Yeah, open it. Now you can see I got 8,000 views, 0 to 8,000 within a few seconds. It's impressive. You can try this method multiple times to increase your views from 1,000 to millions, and many other options will be updated soon on this application. I do not own this application. I'm not promoting this application. I personally use this, and I like to suggest all of my subscribers to use this, as it's a good application to use. So you can see I tried twice and I got 15,000. I got 3 times. I followed 3 times this method and got 23,000, approximately 24,000 views within a minute.